Hey buddy, welcome to Wizard.com. My name is Shubhadeep Chaudhary and I'm your maths tutor. So let's begin. According to the question, the diameter of a wheel is given as 1.26 meter and thus we have to find the distance traveled in 500 revolutions. So let's write the given data. So diameter of the circle represented by d, which is equals 2 times the radius, equals 1.26 meter. Therefore, distance traveled in one revolution, distance traveled in one revolution will be equals 2 pi r, that is the circumference of the circle, which is equals pi d, which will come out to be 3.14 multiplied by 1.26, which is approximately equals 3.95 meter, right? Therefore, distance traveled in 500 revolutions will be equals 500 multiplied by 3.95, which will give us 1978.2 meter, right? So upon checking the options, we see that the answer which is closest to our answer is 1980 meter. Therefore, upon certain approximations, we get 1980 meter as the final answer. Therefore, option C will be the required final answer. So that's it. Thank you and have a great day.